I'm very excited of the location that I'm at. I have been watching this person's videos for 6 years. I have learned how to garden a lot as an adult because of this person, and they are my number one seed company to order seeds from. And that location would be MIgardener. I can't believe that we actually made it here. We just did a 3-hour drive, and I have come almost 3,500 kilometers. So I am extremely excited, and we are going to check out the shops together. So let's see what there is here. So outside MIgardener headquarters, they have the little nursery, and of course they have the garden setups that a lot of you probably have seen on his videos right outside the shop, and they're looking extremely healthy and extremely nice plants. I am very excited to check out the shop here. Very pretty flowers out front, and of course it is Luke that probably planted them, so I'm not surprised how pretty they are. Look at all the seeds. Good, how are you? These are all their peppers. They have peas and peppers and more peppers, and there's some onions and radishes. It's all alphabetically organized there. And I do see Santa Fe Grande, which is definitely a pepper that is on my list here. And miniature yellow there. Definitely going to be getting all my stock, whatever I need for this season. Next season, I should say. All the flowers that they have and herbs at the top there. Little cool displays. Some soaps and some containers there. Of course, some stickers. Little gift section there. And there's the whole gamut of tomatoes there. I'm looking for mushroom basket because that's definitely my favorite, and it's out of stock online, so I'm hoping they have it here. Oh, they do. Grab several packs of those. And of course over here they have all their trifecta, which I wish we could get in Canada, but it is too expensive to ship there. And diatomaceous earth, which is really good for pest control. Neem oil, definitely a good one for pest control. And more trifecta and more seeds, and looks like Luke's book as well. Cute little shop. I don't think the nursery's open, but love this little shop there. I love all the pretty flowers out here that they have, and look at these beefsteak tomatoes. These are huge. Bonnie's Best Beefsteak. Another planter there. You're in Michigan and you still want some perennial herbs. They still have lots of oregano and mint and other items here, as well as some more tomato plants over there. Some strawberries in the garden tower there, and that is Ace 55 tomato, and more beautiful petunias there. Look at this dill here. It is taller than me, and the stems at the base are insanely large. I could definitely use that for some of my pickles there. These are the raised beds that MIgardener has. You can buy them on their website if you like. And this one is filled with strawberries, and the runners are gone crazy here. Looks like a bunch of tomatoes here and bush beans, more tomatoes. Those are huge tomatoes over there. And that one is just loaded with cherry tomatoes over there as well. And then these ones are San Marzanos and doing really nicely. Then, of course, there's some more cherry tomatoes over here. That one looks like it had a little oopsies. And the potatoes look like they're doing well. I'm going to be ready to harvest soon. And then some more cabbage. That almost looks, yeah, asparagus maybe. Some carrots. I love this little trellis there. I have a few of them. Some climbing squash there. And some more tomatoes. And some sort of, let me see here. What is this? Gill's Golden squash. The plants are taken over just a little bit. Some microdwarf tomatoes, it looks like, in these little pots. And there is the rest. So there you go, pretty neat. I got to check out MIgardener's shop in St. Clair, Michigan. If you're in the area, I highly recommend getting some of their seeds. Right now they're doing a 40% off seed sale, so I did go a little overboard on seeds. I think I got about 34 packs of seeds. So they do have still a lot left. Go online, order some seeds. They are a fantastic seed company. I've been buying seeds from them for 6 years now, and they're near 100% germination and my #1 seed company to order from every year and will be for years to come. So I highly recommend getting seeds from them. If you like this video and would like to check out more gardening videos or videos like this, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. And like always, thank you for watching.